Hello friends, so today I got a package from Jetpens, and if you don't know what Jetpens is, it's an online stationery company and they are based in Southern California, which is where I am. So whenever Jetpens receives new art products, they are kind enough to send me a couple of them just for me to try out. And so a lot of you have been requesting more art supply reviews as well as more speed paints, and I'm hoping to incorporate these products into those videos in the future. So the products you see now are sort of going to be a sneak peek or a preview of what the upcoming videos are going to be like, because you're going to see a lot of these products featured in a lot of different videos. So let's get into opening the package. So let's start off with what's in this little box here. Ooh. Oh wow. So they sent me 3 brushes and these look so cool. These 2 brushes are from, oh, I don't know how to pronounce this. Royal and Langnickel? I feel like I really butchered that. The sizes that they sent me are 20-0 and 10-0. Look at how thin those are. I'm so excited to use this. I'm definitely going to be featuring this in like a speed paint video probably. These look so well made. The body is kind of like this chrome finish and it looks really nice. They also sent this beautiful brush by Black Velvet, and I've seen these brushes around the silver black velvet. I've heard that these brushes are really good, but I never had the chance to try them, so I'm really excited. And it's a travel brush, so what you do is you just take it out and flip it over, connect it, and it becomes like a full-size brush. And I got the size 6 brush. I'm going to have a lot of fun using this one. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth video of travel brushes, but I really love travel brushes. I think they are a really good addition to whatever art supplies you are using, especially because they are created in a way where you can travel with them, as the name says, but also it protects your brush hairs so that they won't get damaged wherever you're storing them, whether it's at your desk or in a pencil case. The way that they're built really protects the most important part of the brush. Okay, moving on. This is the Stillman and Byrne Gamma Series sketchbook, and I've been looking for a sketchbook to use this summer, and I've heard a lot of good things about specifically the Gamma series, so I'm really excited to use this. I've tried their Beta and Delta series before as watercolor sketchbooks, and I highly recommend those. They are amazing quality, and those are all available on Jetpens. So there's a lot of information on the cover. It says that it'll take dry media, light washes, and ink. It's 150 GSM with medium grain. On the back there's a chart that shows what the difference between their sketchbooks are. I really like Stillman and Byrne. I think they are a really creative company. Ooh. Oh, the paper feels really nice. It does have a tooth to it, which I really like in a sketchbook. I don't really like super smooth pages. Yeah, so because a lot of you seem to like my sketchbook videos, I'm planning a whole series where I'll basically just be sketching in my sketchbook, and you're going to be able to see the different mediums and techniques that I use while I sketch, and hopefully that'll create some sort of educational series or just a chill series that you can watch. Let me know what you think, and if you would want to see that series. The last thing that was in the package is this set of koi watercolors, and I specifically asked for this one because I really want to make a video on it. This particular set was almost my very first watercolor set. It was the very first watercolor set that I bought for myself, and I'm going to talk about that more in a future video, but this is like early on when I first did watercolors. I'm really excited to make a video where I try this again and just tell you what I think about this particular set after having used a lot of different artist quality watercolors, because back then I remember really liking this set. So the one that Jetpens sent me is the 30 colors. Back when I had this, I remember I had the 24 watercolor set, but I actually gave it to a friend, so I don't have it anymore. So here's the cover of the box. It's really pretty. I usually don't like plastic palettes, but I really don't mind this one at all. And you get this sort of plastic tray, extra mixing space. This I actually really like that they include extra mixing space. They include this brush. I'm actually not a huge fan of water brushes, but I've come to sort of appreciate them now, especially because I've done a lot of traveling in the past year and I've realized how convenient water brushes are. I'm going to be doing a much more in-depth video of this particular palette and probably a speed paint including this palette. So thank you again to Jetpens for sending these products. I am so excited to try these out, and I hope you stay in tune for those future videos. Please remember to follow me on Instagram and to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!